Say it, in English.
Comparative adjectives. What are adjectives? Adjectives are words that describe or give more information about nouns. They can tell us about a noun's size, age, color, or shape. Adjectives can also tell us someone's opinion about a noun or describe how someone is feeling. We use comparative adjectives when we want to compare two people, places, or things. Comparative adjectives tell us how one noun is different from another. For example, Peter is taller than Ben. The castle is older than the school building. The sweater is more expensive than the t-shirt. How are comparative adjectives formed in English? The way we form comparative adjectives depends on the number of syllables in the adjective. For most one-syllable adjectives, we add er to the end of the adjective. For example, tall becomes taller. But when a one-syllable adjective ends with a consonant, vowel, consonant pattern, we double the final consonant before adding er. For example, big becomes bigger. For adjectives that have two syllables and end in y, we change the y to I. Then we add er. For example, noisy becomes noisier. Hungry becomes hungrier. For adjectives that are two syllables or more, except those ending in y, we add the word more before the adjective. For example, interesting becomes more interesting. Expensive becomes more expensive. Note that some comparative adjectives in English do not follow these usual rules. Instead, they change form completely. For example, good becomes better. Bad becomes worse. Far becomes farther or further. The most common sentence pattern for using comparative adjectives in English is subject plus verb plus comparative adjective plus then plus object. Here are some examples to show how comparative adjectives are used. Look at these two pictures. One shows Boston and the other shows Eureka. In this video, we'll compare these cities in a few key areas to see how they differ. Boston is larger than Eureka, or Eureka is smaller than Boston. Boston is noisier than Eureka, or Eureka is quieter than Boston. Living in Boston is more expensive than in Eureka. The air in Boston is more polluted than in Eureka. Traffic in Boston is worse than in Eureka. Time to practice. Look at the pictures, read the sentences, and write the correct form from the word in parentheses. Traveling by plane is faster than traveling by train. The check-in process for a plane is more time-consuming than for a train. Rugby is more dangerous than basketball. Rugby teams are larger than basketball teams. Rugby is played on a rougher surface than basketball.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to practice what you've learned today. If you have any questions or need more practice, leave a comment below. And be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational videos. See you next time.